Oh, do you see that? Wow. Wow, it's so red. Do you see that? Ooh. Oh, I'm so dead. I'm so dead. Guys, I'm sweating already. It feels like I've been running for like 2 minutes. Okay, no milk. Okay. Only water. Eat everything. Guys, no milk. Okay. Alright, guys, before we die. No cheese. No cheese. Wait. No cheese. No egg. No ice cream. No anything. What the hell? Okay, there we go. Only Thaffer. Alrighty, okay. Guys, alright, okay, nice. If you hit it fast enough, it won't hit you as hard. Okay, time to fa, and then fo later. Time to fa, and then fo later, okay. Let me drink some water first, Wait. Let me drink some water first, you know, we don't want an empty stomach, okay? Hold on. Okay. Alright. Just one more glass, just in case. Just one more glass. Okay, I'm ready, I think. Yeah, guys, my name is Luca, and it's time to eat some buldak. God damn it. What am I doing? Okay, 3, 2, 1. Guys, that was the first bite. Oh. So. Oh. You guys said it was mild. Oh. Guys, that was that was only 2. Guys, I barely made any difference. No, we need some like really sad music. Oh my god. Guys, it's so bad. Okay, number 3. Oishi desu ka? Oishii yo. Sonnani karaku nai yo. Guys, I need some tissues. No. It's getting bad. Add milk, no milk. No, we have to. It feels less spicy. We need to stop eating or drinking water. Sorry. I'm burping. It's so hot. Okay. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. Yes, I love spicy. I love spicy. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm like halfway done. Wait. Wow. Guys, this is not hot at all. I'm just so excited that I'm finally eating buldak for the first time. It's so good. I'm crying. It's so good. I'm crying. I've never had ramen so good. Guys, this is worse than Kokoichi. God, I need to drink something. But it just makes it worse if I do. Guys, if I put ice in my mouth, it makes it easy. 1 p.m. Okay, one more. Let's do it one noodle at a time. Mm-mm-mm. 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 One noodle at a time. Guys, I'm sweating. I'm sweating so much. Oh my god, oh my god. Guys, I thought it was gonna be easy. I heard someone who wasn't that bad. I heard from someone who wasn't that bad. From that. Ah. Okay. Ah. It's not that bad at all. This is the most non-spicy thing I've ever had in my life. Yeah, it's not that bad. It's not that bad at all. This is the best thing I've. Okay. Oh my god, it's so bad. I'm crying. Ah! Ah! Guys, I try to hold it in. Oh my god. Oh, it's so bad. Oh, my tongue. God, it's so hot. Oh. Oh, that was so bad. Ah! This is worse than Kokoyuchi. Guys, no ice. No water. Sorry, wait. No milk. Sorry. Sorry, excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. I'm sorry. Oh, why? It won't go. It won't leave. Okay, it's getting a little easier. Oh my god. How much? Oh, no! I hiccuped. Ah. How much left? It's all finished. But I'm sweating so much. I'm sweating too much. I'd say. Even like right now. Woo! Okay! Oh. It's only been 30 minutes! What? I should have paced myself. I ate that too fast. Oh my god. Guys, that was not that bad at all. Actually, you know what? That was actually really like not spicy at all. I was really surprised at how like I was really expecting it to be a little more spicy, but to be honest with you, it really wasn't that bad. It really wasn't that bad. It was not spicy. Not spicy. Yeah, when I first tried it for the first time, I was like, whoa, wait, and like the whole time though, I was like, yeah, this is not that bad at all. Do you remember? Do you remember? Yeah, that really was not that bad. That was like the most karakunai, like buldak ever. Oh my god, holy. Yeah, like the whole time I was like, it's not that bad. Yeah, it could be more spicy. Like, yeah, like remember that when I said that? I was like, yeah, like, whoo. I really wish it was spicy like that. Do you remember? Like, I sounded like this the whole time. Yeah. It's okay. Actually, it's not that bad. But look, I finished it. Look. What made you want to try buldak? I don't know, I just felt like doing a different stream today, and it was the first thing that popped into my mind.